Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete older emails in Gmail automatically. So first you want to go to the settings, then click on See All Settings. Then you want to go to the Filters and Block Addresses tab. And then you want to click on Create a New Filter. Then over here at the inputs to words, you want to input this older underscore Dan, then a colon. Then you want to input the date of how far back you want to delete emails. Say for example 6 months, so I'm going to put 6 then M. Or if I want to delete 2 years old the emails, then I'm going to put 2Y to indicate years. Or let's say I want to delete emails older than 7 days, then I'm going to put D to indicate days. And then just click on Create Filter, then click on OK. Then just click on Delete It, then click on Create Filter, and it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.